Hi, my name is Lili. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a very easy and simple crochet shawl model. To know the amount of stitch we are going to make for each piece size, we are going to do the length of the baby foot, times 2. And we are going to do that many initial chains. For example, if foot measure 10 centimeters, we will make 20 centimeters of starting chains. Start with chains. In this work, I'm going to work 39 chains for 3 months newborn. Make 39 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. To work making 39 chains, after doing initial chains, we are going to start working on third chain. 1, 2, 3. Going on third chain, yarn over, go into third chain, bring yarn. Let's take out all the string at once. All of 3 yarn, pull through once. Yarn over, go into next chain, half double crochet, 1 half double crochet stitch, yarn over, go into next chain, 1 half double crochet for all of row. In this row we have 38 stitches. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, going into next stitch, pull through all of yarns, stitch 1 half double crochet in each stitch for all of row. Crochet last stitch from second chain, second chain of corner, 1, 2, second chain, 1, 2 chain, yarn over, turn it, go into next stitch, pull through all of them, yarn over, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Repeat this row for 5 centimeters. After 7 rows crochet, make a chain, turn job, go into next stitch, bring yarn, pull through, next stitch, single crochet, stitch single crochet for 11 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And going to start to decrease stitches. Going to next stitch, going to next stitch, pull through all of them. For 8 times. Start single crochet for 11 stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Turn job, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish this row, make a chain, turn job, make more decrease for this row. Start with single crochet in next chain, 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 single crochet and start decrease for this row. Going to next stitch, going to next stitch, 1 decrease, 2 3 4. Repeat this for 5 times and start single crochet for all row. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. Bring yarn and slip stitch and join two sides together.